Good day everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you how to edit one layer in Photoshop. So this problem I had for many times in Photoshop, and whenever I'd edit, I'd always edit everything else instead of just one individual layer. And a good example of this is like this, when you have to adjust your brightness, let's say, and everything just decides to be edited for some odd reason. So the trick with this is to add what you want. So like, let's say I want to add a brightness and contrast, but then you right click on your layer of the brightness and contrast and you say create clipping mask, and once you create that clipping mask, then it will only edit what you've selected or what you want to be edited. So now, as you can see, this new image I've added is being added with the brightness and the contrast, etc. And you just keep doing that until you're satisfied with everything, and then you merge all the layers together. Because if you do not do that, then the clipping mask will go on to something else, and then your whole thing will be edited again and be messed up. Alrighty, that's all for today. Thank you.